In this part of our AI Jumpstart series, we'll see how Microsoft has gone all in on AI and infused the technology throughout its ecosystem of apps. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the Streamline, be sure to do so you can make the most of AI and automation. So way back in 2019, when Microsoft invested its first $1 billion in OpenAI, we knew the company was bullish on the future of generative AI. And when it added $10 billion to that investment in early 2023, Microsoft really bet its future on the technology, and since then, it's integrated AI into virtually every product. And everyday users first saw it when Microsoft relaunched its Bing search engine in February of 2023. And that began a shift from traditional web search engines that return lists of relevant websites to conversational AI chatbots like ChatGPT, but with access to the live web. Now, as a part of Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI, the new Bing is powered in part by OpenAI's GPT models. But it also uses Microsoft's proprietary Prometheus model, which is what allows it to use the GPT models and also access the live web. So in addition to accessing the internet, the new Bing also had the advantage of returning multimedia in its responses, including photos and videos and charts. And along with open-ended text entry, the new Bing also offered a visual interface for structuring your prompts with visual inputs for specifying the tone, the format, the length, and other characteristics of the generated response. So you can access Bing's conversational AI within Microsoft's Edge web browser, and there's also a dedicated Bing app for mobile devices. After signing in with your Microsoft account, find the chat icon, and as you experiment with it, try giving it the same prompts you provided ChatGPT and compare their responses. And then try other prompts that leverage Bing's access to the internet, like summarizing recent news on a given topic. And about a month after Bing's relaunch, Microsoft teased its Copilot, an AI assistant that would be available pretty much anywhere you're using Microsoft. It'd make its way into the 365 apps used by virtually every business, including Excel, Word, and Outlook. It'd be integrated into the Windows operating system. It'd support designers, developers, and IT professionals in Microsoft's apps for specialists. Teams could use it while collaborating in Microsoft Teams, and Bing's AI chatbot would ultimately assume the Copilot identity. And across those apps, Copilot would be able to draft emails, project plans, or presentations. It could analyze spreadsheets or other data. It could summarize emails, meetings, or documents. You could use Copilot to reformat Excel spreadsheets or Word documents. It could translate written or spoken language from text or audio. And it could schedule meetings at times that suit everyone's calendar. And all along, Copilot would have access to your contacts, your calendar, your documents, and other information for reference and to make updates. So when Microsoft announced Copilot, it was being tested by a small selection of enterprise users. And then in June of 2023, that testing pool expanded to about 600 customers. And as I record in July, experts expect another few months of closed testing before the beta opens to the public. Of course, I'll let subscribers know as soon as that time comes. And then Microsoft Designer is kind of a standalone application powered by AI that generates graphics from text prompts. And those graphics can be used for social media, digital invitations, video thumbnails, and other needs for combining text and images. You'll find it at designer.microsoft.com, and you can also add it to the Edge browser alongside the Bing chat feature. And honestly, I'm pretty underwhelmed by the outputs from Microsoft Designer, but they can offer a useful foundation for images that you finalize with some heavy manual editing. So within your text prompt, you can specify where the image will be used, such as social media or a YouTube thumbnail, the topic, specific copy to include, the subjects of photos that are included in the graphic, and a particular tone or mood. And you can also upload a specific photo to be included. So Designer will generate a handful of variations from which you can choose one to customize in the next step. And then Designer also includes a photo generator powered by OpenAI's DALL-E model. So you can generate a photo from a text prompt, then use it in your graphic. Prompting strategies for these sorts of photo generators is a whole other topic in itself. I cover it at length in other guides, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and the Streamline to learn all about it. and to make the most of AI and automation.